The simultaneous existence of food waste, loss, and hunger is a major issue, and this is one of the first problems that we are tackling as part of Operation Possible.
In order to understand how the food loss is happening at the street vendors level, it's very important to understand a day in life of a street vendors.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತರಕಾರಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ನನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು 10 kg ತಂತಾರೆ, 8 kg ಮಾರ್ತಾರೆ, 2 kg ಬಿಸಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದರಾಗೆ ಲಾಭ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ.
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ ಕೊಲ್ತೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಅದು ಮಳೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ ಅದೂ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಾಧೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Once we understood that this issue is there, we were able to develop a hypothesis of how we can tackle this problem.
If we could able to increase the shelf life of these vegetables for a couple of more days, we can certainly reduce the loss to a greater extent. And eventually that could increase the income for the street vendors as well.
To solve that problem for them, we come up with a solution that can be implemented in the field.
Passive radiative cooling technology is an interesting thing. Any surface which faces sky gets heated up due to the sun incidence. And night time, all these surfaces start radiating the heat back into the deep space in a particular wavelength. We found a technology wherein this passive radiative cooling can be done during daytime as well.
What we found is that there is a film like aluminium foil. Once we paste it on the canopy, the temperature below is less than the ambient. And we are designing this cart such that we can get an optimum temperature for the fruits and vegetables below this canopy.
Now the last piece was, build some prototype and test out there in the field. So we tested for a pilot study in a place called Kolar.
And in Kolar also, we are having a lot of enthusiastic participation from the local government officials.
It directly impacts on their earnings. Earnings make a livelihood. Livelihood makes good value inside to the society.
In order to bind all these things together, we are also thinking how this solution can be commercialized and implemented in a large scale.
ಗಾಡಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೂಪರ್ ಐತಿ. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಎದ್ಬಿಸೋ ಐಟಮ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ, ಲಾಸು ದುಡ್ಡು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಲಾಭ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.